Good morning. It's Friday, January 24th. Looking at the S&P. So yesterday had a big sell-off down here to this 01 quarter. And then that ended up being the bottom. And we had the buyers came in pretty heavy there and moved all the way up to 37, which is a tick off of this prediction point here. So this morning we haven't pulled back here to this 29 area yet. The market used this 27 area really, so not super ideal that we would go higher from this area, but it is possible. The first spot for a pullback would be right here to 29 and then higher. This 27 area is something to keep an eye on, but not as great since we really already used that here in the Globex, but it could happen. Again, not super great. But for sure below that, we wouldn't really be looking for this 21.5 area. We'd be looking for lower, down to 16.5 at least, and very easily down to 12 quarter here. And then below that, we really would not be looking to use this 02. So if this can't hold, worst case, this 27 area there, if that can't hold, then what we're looking for is a bigger pullback down into 16 or 12 quarter area. And then if that doesn't hold, then we've got this back into the 32.88 area. We wouldn't really expect this 01 would be that significant. So on the other side here, going higher, if we can hold here at 29 or even down here, we've got 42 and then we've got 45, and either one of these could be fairly important. And then the same thing again up here, we've got 51 and we've got 49 quarter. And moving up into here, unless this thing's really strong, we'd expect a decent pullback from somewhere here. So kind of depends on how things play out. If the bigger pullback down to here happens first and then we move up higher, probably less significant of a pullback, maybe only back down to the CPA here. But if we pulled back down only to this area and then moved higher up into here, then we could see that pullback all the way back down into here. So it just kind of depends. Not saying that it has to come back to here. It just kind of depends on how that plays out. So either way, looking for some kind of a pullback from one of these four prices, and it would just kind of depend on how the momentum is if we move up into there. If it's really strong and we break that 51, we've got 60, and then above that we've got 60 quarter, and then above that we've got a 27-point gap between these prices. So if this thing was really strong today, we would anticipate that we might reach that, but above that it would just be incredibly strong. So pretty strong up to here, really strong up to here, and up above here would just be you would have to be almost like a news catalyst or something about there. So that'd be very strong buying for today. And then otherwise we've got the pullback scenario. So there you have it for this morning, and we'll see you in the live trade signals.